Alrighty, here we have a 2006 Acura TL. Maintenance minder wrench is on. Oil life is 5%. Once it hits 15%, you'll get this wrench and it'll say service due soon, then it'll go to service due now. That's where we're at on this vehicle. We've got the B13 service showing. Each letter and number represents what services are due. B is oil and oil filter change, 1 is tire rotation, and 3 is transmission fluid service. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and reset it. If you look down just past the steering wheel there, you'll have a select reset button. You're going to press and hold that button. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds. It'll pop up a little message here. Maintenance reset or cancel, select OK. So we're going to go ahead and press and hold the select button, the same button we've pressed to get it there. And it's been reset. So now when you go through the different informational items, it'll say oil life 100% and you're good till your next oil change. If you have any other cars you'd like me to do on the reset procedures, please comment below and I'll try to get to those next. Please like, share, and have a good rest of your day. Take care.